So, Ryan, if you could imagine yourself 1 year from now, what would you hope to see for this property?
One thing, I hope to see some grass growing, maybe some fences, maybe some of this brush burned, hopefully.
So, I hope to see some animals. I hope that there's some grass. I hope to maybe have a start on some fencing for the animals. And I hope most of all that I have my chickens. I have my Cluck Norris, my Henny Kenny, my Chicken Nugget. I've already got them named.
Can't name them all, we gotta eat a few of them. Hey folks, wanted to do a quick video to update you and just let you know where we are with the homestead that we had talked about in a previous video. We've been making some progress, but it's not been without a few setbacks, so I wanted to talk to you about where we are right now. As with any other major project or undertaking in life, we faced a few delays and a few setbacks. The main thing being that it seemed like it took forever to get the trailer moved. We waited weeks and weeks and weeks, and we finally ended up finding a different person to do it, and thankfully that person was able to get it within a few days of us calling them, so we're grateful for that. We actually had the septic put in this past week, and that's completely finished, and it's been inspected by the health department. That part is done, so we're thankful for that. The task at hand now is getting our electric service hooked up. We reused the same meter base and a lot of the conduit, and the only thing we replaced was the actual wire going inside of the home. My father-in-law, myself, and my wife's brother actually put this in this past weekend, so the next step is to have an inspector come out and look at it this weekend. We're praying it passes inspection. We're hopeful that our water meter might get set this week coming, and we can start working on getting our water lines put in, and the only thing we like after that is a gas meter. I think that might be a couple more weeks out, but as long as we can get that put in before it gets cold, we'll be happy. There's actually an electric stove in the home that we can use in the meantime. We do cook with gas, but we've got something that we can use until then. Another thing that really has slowed us down, I guess you could say a lot, is rain. That's something that you just can't do anything about. You just have to work around it. But in the meantime, since the trailer's been put here and while we've been in between doing things, we have done a lot of painting on the inside. Shauna really wanted to change the wall colors and stuff, so we've been doing a ton of painting. Now, if you watched our previous video, we showed you the little brooder that we had set up. We've got some baby chicks coming a little bit later. They'll be here in time for the fall, and I've got to get a chicken coop built probably in this area back here and a run for them, but we've got a little time on that. They'll be staying in their brooder, of course, for a few weeks, and they won't even be here till a little bit later, so we'll update you on that in a future video. Up on that hill, there's a flat spot that runs all the way around, and this fall into the winter, I'm going to get in there and clear some of that out and try to fence some. And in the spring, we're going to try to put some pigs up there. So we're going to raise some pork on pasture, or so it's going to be sort of a mix between pasture and a wood lot. Got a lot of clearing to do, but we'll get that done hopefully with the Lord's help. Let me know in the comments if you've got any experience raising pork on pasture or in a wood lot, and if you got any tips for me, I'd be glad to hear those. Guys, thank you for following along with us. I hope you'll subscribe to this channel. I do a ton of cooking on here, and now we're starting to expand and include a little bit of homesteading as we begin to try to raise some of our own food and become a little bit more self-sufficient. Also, I've been doing some fishing and catch cleaning cooks on here. Hope you guys enjoy those. I hope you'll subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the video, give it a little thumbs up if you would, and come back and check out some more of my videos. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.